Hi Dan, I know you love to hear audio. These are the tsunami warning sirens going off at 10 p.m. And John, of course, I'll send this to John and Dan, both of you. Okay, they're going to keep running those every half hour, and my kitty cat is going to be... Are you going to evacuate with us? Alrighty, I know you liked audio, so I'm sending that to you. And what else is happening? The gas stations have lines out down the street now for people getting gas down here. And fortunately, we have a full tank of gas, but because we have that 30-foot wall below at the end of our street that was built as part of our neighborhood, we are going to be A-okay, we think. And if not, we'll get in the car with the kitty cats and head to higher ground. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye.